Buster. Buster. No, you can hear me. Do you mind? Look, seat back, please. Buster is trying really hard to get some scraps. Come on, Buster.
Morning.
Sun's shining nice.
Okay, here at Hillhead, a quarry in the middle of Derbyshire. Nice.
All done and dusted.
So Joe is testing our new headset, the is it Mira? And yeah, initial thoughts, is that, Joe? You seem to like it, don't you?
Okay, it's got good clarity.
What do you see it being used for?
Maybe displaying products in 360, be able to see a product in front of you, maybe be able to turn it around, explore layers of within a product.
How does it feel
Yeah,
like?
the most comfortable headset. It's light because it's based, I mean, you can see it's based on the phone up inside it, and then some sort of camera lens thing.
It doesn't look that bad either.
It's okay.
It's pretty futuristic. Cool.
It's been a great asset to have.
Mornings like the one I've just had make me really happy. I get to talk to people, and if you know me, I love a good chat, and once I get going you literally cannot stop me. So mornings like this are just brilliant.
Gay just did a little bit of a jig.
Did a little bit of a jig.
What's just happened
So
again?
just got another brief, so I need to check Joe's diary. Absolutely exciting because this could be a real biggie.
Ooh, victory dance time! So we've just got a delivery. What kind of delivery have we got here? Ooh. What is it? The anticipation is killing me. Looks like a carpet of some sort. Okay. Screen.
Green screen!
What?
You've disappeared.
Stay tuned.
Oh, in motion capture. Joe there showing us the magic of green screen.
Yeah, so you roll it up like that, and then onto that. So roll it up, don't get it damaged.
That's beautiful, Lou.
Bumped into my old work pals, middle of London. Could you believe it?